Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Let's make chicken Angara today. Soak 12 to 13 dried red chilies in hot water for about half an hour. Blend them and keep it aside. Chop 1.5 cup of onions roughly. Cook them with half a cup of water until soft. Blend them to a fine paste and keep it aside. In 3 pounds of washed and cut chicken, add in 1 teaspoon heaped paprika powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon heaped cumin powder, half a teaspoon coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon salt or to taste, 1 cup of yogurt beaten, 2 tablespoons full of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of dried fenugreek leaves crushed. Mix them all together. Place it in the refrigerator and let this marinate for 2 hours. This is the blended red chili and onion paste. It's been 2 hours and I have removed the chicken from the refrigerator. Let's see the next step. In a preheated pan, add about quarter cup of oil. Keep the flame on medium-low. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 pieces of cinnamon sticks, and 3-4 pieces of cloves. When they begin to crackle, add in the blended onion paste. Saute this until this paste becomes light golden brown. Now add 2 tablespoons full of tomato paste. Saute for 5 minutes or until oil separates. Oil has separated, switch off the flame. Transfer the marinated chicken in a pot. Add in the chili paste and the sauteed onions and tomato paste. Give it a mix. I'll be cooking this in an instant pot. Press the saute key and set it on more. Friends who will be using a stove to cook this, please keep the flame on high. Cook this chicken without a lid for 10 minutes. Give it a mix. Please do not add any water. Once it has released all its juices like this, press the saute key and set it to less. Friends who will be using a stove, please lower the flame. Cover a lid and cook it until the chicken is tender. It's been 10 minutes and the chicken looks tender. It's cooked. Friends, we are making chicken Angara, so we'll have to smoke this curry. Heat few pieces of coal until they turn red, hot and grey. Place the hot coal in a steel bowl lined with aluminum foil. Place the bowl with hot coal like this over the chicken. Add little ghee over the hot coal. Close a lid and let it smoke for about 5 to 6 minutes. Open the lid and remove the coal cup. Chicken Angara is ready. Okay friends, chicken Angara is ready to be served. Hope you all enjoyed watching this simple recipe. Please like, subscribe and share I'll see you back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.